I wanted to be part of something that is like more dynamic, like not sitting behind a desk or in front of a computer. I like being out there, doing stuff, putting in practice everything that we learn in theory classes.
The Construction Techniques is a one-year certificate, and in that 2 semesters. The first semester, we're going to learn how to use concrete, how to form it, how to finish it, but more importantly, pour our own footing and foundation. And in semester 2, the students will build a full-size house on top of the foundation that they placed.
My favorite part of the program is definitely the practical courses, where you take everything you've learned throughout the week, throughout your drafting classes, your math classes, and theory classes, and kind of put it all into practice.
There's always something to do, there's always something new to learn, there's always something that you can apply in a different way.
The students in our program, instead of bombarding them with books, we actually require them to buy tools. And we teach them how to use those tools. So whether it be their speed square, their knife, their hammer, their chalk lines, their circular saws, and they have those tools to own, to use, and they know how to use their own tools.
I took construction techniques specifically because it's an invaluable skill I can carry throughout my whole entire life.
When I first got into the program, I had no idea of anything. So many things that I wouldn't imagine doing before, and now I can do it.
The practical courses and classes are kind of designed to bring everything together and get the gears kind of connected and turning so that everything comes to fruition.
We want to be in sync. We want what we learn in theory that week to be applied in shop the same week.
The teachers and workers in this course are especially helpful. You can go to them with any questions or concerns, and they'll get to you very soon, very soundly, and really drills the point through so that you can understand the concept and apply it.
We build houses. Our students will go out and build houses. And then people will eventually want to renovate those houses. There's so much work out there. The employers are begging for workers. We need more tradespeople.
I'd definitely recommend this program to anybody looking to get in a construction field, whether it's concrete, whether it's framing, anything construction-wise, roofing. This is a great course to jump into because it provides that variety from all different kinds of trades.